In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Adobe Express. To keep things simple, we'll work right inside your existing design. With your project open in the editor, look toward the workspace controls and locate the option labeled Edit Page. Click this to focus your changes on the page you're currently working on. This keeps everything contained to that one page, which is especially helpful if your project has multiple pages and you want to avoid accidentally changing them all at once. Once you're in the page editing view, click Background. This opens the background controls for the active page, and you'll see options designed to give you quick, clean results without disrupting your layout. Nothing on your canvas will be moved or resized. You're simply updating the backdrop behind your content. Now choose either color or gradient. If you pick color, you'll get a familiar color picker. You can drag the selector to find a hue you like. Type in a hex value if you have a brand color, or sample from recommended swatches to match common themes. As you try different colors, keep an eye on the contrast between your text and the background. A strong contrast improves readability, so if your text is light, consider a darker background and vice versa. You can test a few shades to find the sweet spot that looks great and still keeps your message clear. If you choose gradient, you'll be able to blend two colors for a more dynamic look. Start by selecting the two colors you want to mix, then adjust the style to suit your design. Linear gradients create a directional flow, while radial gradients create a focal glow. You can tweak the angle or direction to guide the viewer's eye, and swap the start and end colors if you want the emphasis to shift. Gradients are especially effective for adding depth without clutter, and they can make text or key elements pop when aligned thoughtfully behind them. As you experiment, give your design a quick once-over with all your elements visible. Make sure logos, icons, and text still stand out and that nothing blends into the background unintentionally. If you go too far, use Undo to step back and try a different shade or gradient setting. When it looks right, you're done. Your background is updated, and your page will feel more polished and on-brand. That's all it takes. Click Edit Page, click Background, and choose a color or gradient that fits your design.